Good morning, children. Now I will continue the lesson. First target. Children, I already explained half of the lesson, children. Now I will continue. Open page number 25. See there, second stanza in that page. See what I explained in the last class. Dashratha was a very good in archery. So he one day while he was hunting, he heard the rustling of the leaves made by animals, wandering animals. Then he thought there was a wild animal back of the bush. So he took the aim and shot it. Actually, behind the bush there was who was there? Shravan Kumar. But Dashratha don't know. He thought there was wild animal. See, then the arrow went and hit the target correctly to the Shravan Kumar. See, after that Shravan Kumar screamed loudly and fell down. See, when the Dashratha heard that voice, screaming voice, he followed that voice and he went to that bush side, and then he saw their Shravan Kumar was soaked in the blood. Then Shravan Kumar said to the Dashratha, see, no one is there to look after my parents. My parents were very thirsty. Please take that pot, fill the water and give it to my parents. Like that Shravan Kumar said to the Dashratha. See, after that Dashrath and also the Shravana Kumara pleaded to the Dashrath, pull out the arrow from his chest, and he said, I will die very peacefully. So please pull out the arrow from my chest, he said. After that Dashratha did same like that only. Then Dashrath, the king Dashrath, took the pot and filled the pot with water, and he moved or walked towards to the Shravan Kumar's parents' side. See, after that what happened? I will explain now, children. Okay, observe now. Third para, page number 25. Okay, yes. King Dashratha's hands shivered and tears filled his eyes. He filled the pot with water. He went along the direction suggested by Shravan. See here, King Dashratha's hands shivered and tears filled his eyes. When the Dashratha heard the Shravan Kumar's words, really Dashratha was shivered and the tears filled his eyes. Because unknowingly he showed the Shravan Kumar. He don't know before that. He thought before it was their wild animal. But here the Shravan Kumar was dying, and he is saying to look after his parents, and he only look after his parents. Who are they to look after my parents? Like that. He said so many words, no? So that time by hearing that, Dashratha's hands shivered and tears filled his eyes. He filled the pot with water. He went along the direction suggested by Shravan. After that, Dashrath filled the water pot with water and he went along the direction suggested by Shravan Kumar. On hearing the footsteps, what made you so late, my son? Bring me the water, said Shravan's father. See here. On hearing the footsteps, see, Shravan Kumar's parents heard the footsteps, but they don't know who that was Dashratha. They thought they heard the footsteps. No, they thought their son only coming towards to them. Okay, they thought it was Shravan Kumar. So the parents asking to Shravan Kumar, what made you so late, my son? Bring me the water, said Shravan's father. Why late, my son? Bring the water. I am so much thirsty. Give the water. Like that, Shravan Kumar's parents said. Turn the page, children. As there was no answer, he questioned. See, Shravan Kumar asked this question. See, the answer will not come immediately. Why are you late? Did anything got wrong? Did anything go wrong? So now the Shravan Kumar's father saying, he asked the question but no reply. Come back to him. So he said, why are you late? Did anything go wrong? Anything happened there? Anything wrong there? Asked like that. Now the Dashratha opening his mouth and started to talk with Shravan Kumar's parents. I am sorry to tell you that your son is not alive. Dashrath saying, I am sorry to tell you that your son is not alive, said the king. But I have brought the pail of water for you. See, Dashratha saying, I am sorry, I am very sorry, your son is not alive. But I have brought the water, pail of water to you. I am Dashratha, the king of Kosala. He said, Dashratha said, I am very sorry, your son is not alive, but I brought a pail of water to you. Please take this, please drink this. I am Dashratha, king of Kosala. I have done a terrible mistake. I come here for your pardon. What is he saying? See, I have done a terrible mistake, means dreadful mistake, and I come here for your pardon. Please excuse me. I come here for your pardon. Please excuse me. You can punish me in any way you like. See, I did great sin, a great terrible mistake I done. So, please forgive me, excuse me, and also you can punish me in any way you like. Like this, Dashratha said to Shravan Kumar's parents. Dashratha then told them what had happened. Shravan's parents were filled with misery. Dashratha then told them what had happened. See, after that, Dashratha told the whole story, what happened on that place. So that time, Shravan's parents were filled with misery. Misery means great unhappiness. They told the king, misery means great unhappiness. Great unhappiness. They told the king, O king, you have committed a big blunder. You have committed a big blunder. Blunder means a great mistake. A great mistake. See, Shravan Kumar's parents saying, you have committed a big blunder. I will forgive you for your mistake as you have done it without your knowledge. Actually, you have done it without your knowledge because you don't know. You thought there was animal, wild animal. Okay, you done this without your knowledge. So, but you committed a big mistake. Please take us to our Shravan and then you can go back to your kingdom. Please take to us to my son Shravan Kumar's place. Then you go back to your kingdom. Like the Shravan Kumar's parents said to Dashratha. Dashratha pleaded with them that they should come along with him to the palace. Dashratha pleaded with them that they should come along with him to the palace. See, Shravan Kumar died, no? Then who will look after his parents? So, here Dashratha is saying, please come along with me. I will take care of you. Like your son, how you give the service to like that. I will only take care of you. So, please come along with me, he said. He said he would also serve them just as Shravan had done. But the old parents did not listen to him. But the Shravan Kumar's parents did not listen to Dashratha's words. They said, O King Dashratha, mark this day. You will not understand the reason behind our not coming today. Dasharatha, you don't understand why we are not coming, we are coming with you today. See, you are saying to look after us like as my son, but you don't know today what happened today. You mark this day. Surely a day is going to come when you would be separated from your son. See what the day we got, no? We are now without my son. Like that, one day will come like this, same like this to you. You also be separated from your son. That day you will understand the pain of our hearts. That day you can understand the pain of our heart. Shravan Kumar's parents said like that to what that Dasharatha. Means here Shravan Kumar's parents didn't like to go with Dasharatha. Okay. Instead of that they said you Dasharatha, you mark this day. You will also in future you will also separated from your son. That day you can understand our pain of our hearts like that. Shravan Kumar parents said to for that Dasharatha. So this is the story, children. See, children, this happened like that only, children. In future, Dasharatha also died without his son. Okay, he also suffered same situation how the Shravan Kumar parents are they suffered, no, like that in future. What the Dasharatha also suffered like that same situation will happen in that story, children. Okay, understood? No? See, children. Now I will discuss the question answer related to this lesson, children. You already understood now this lesson? Okay. Now open page number 28. See the questions. What kind of a boy was Shravan? How did he serve his parents? Can you say the answer, children? What kind of a boy was Shravan? How did he serve his parents? Shravan was a very obedient son. He served his parents very sincerely. He did all the daily routine like cooking for them, washing their clothes and even bathed them. So the second question, where did Shravan take his parents? That were what were the arrangements he made for it? What's the answer? Shravan decided to take his parents to where? Pilgrimage. He took 2 large and very strong baskets. He attached these baskets to a bamboo stick and then he asked his parents to sit in them and he raised the yoke on his shoulder and started his journey. Yes, no? Let's see the third question. Why did Shravan leave his parents and go? Yes, why did the Shravan leave his parents? Shravan's father was very thirsty and asked him to get water. So he left his parents and went in search of water. Yes, no? See the fourth question. What did the king Dasharatha do? What were Shravan's lost words? King Dasharatha, while hunting, heard the rustling of the animals, mistaking it to be an animal. He shot it. The arrow hit Shravan. He screamed, "Alas, I am dying, and who will serve my blind parents after me?" These were his last words. Okay, see the next question. What did King Dasharatha ask Shravan's parents to do? What was their reply? See, last what did the King Dasharatha ask Shravan's parents to do? Then what was the reply of the Shravan Kumar's parents? King Dasharatha pleaded Shravan's parents to come to the palace and he would serve. They replied for that there would certainly be a day when he would separate from his son and then he would surely understand the pain of our hearts. Like that, Shravan Kumar's parents replied to Dasharatha. Okay, children. See, after the children, come to the page number 28. Here are some pictures given, children, and also given clues. By using the clues, children, you complete the cross puzzle. Okay. What is the first one? They given the picture. See the picture and say the name of that picture start with B letter. What is that? Basket. Yes, no? First one, basket. Next, second one, blind. Next, third one is, what is this? Arrow. This one is basket. Blind parents. This one is, what that? Arrow. This one is bow. Okay. Stick. This is what? River. Bow. This one is target, like what related picture. Basket, blind parents. This one is arrow. Okay, children. By using these, seeing these pictures, you complete the class puzzle. Okay. After that, come to page number 29. See the third meaning. Watch and match. Match the meaning with the words given. See the first one. Persons who cannot see. What do we call? Person who cannot see. What do we call such persons? Blind. Yes, no? Blind. See the second question. A visit to a holy place. What we call that holy place? Pilgrimage. Shooting. Archery. Clues also given in your textbook, children. Blunder, scream, archery, pilgrimage, blind. Okay. Then fourth one, shout loudly. What the one word for that? Scream. A big mistake. A terrible mistake. What we call that? Blunder. Okay. Blunder. Come to fourth main, children. Fill in the gaps with this, that, these or those. First one, this is my room. Dash are my books. Dash are my books. Dash are my books. These are my books. These are my books. Dash is the table where I read. What want to fill up there? Dot. That is the table where I read. Dash toys are my brothers. Those toys are my brothers. Next, dash is my dog tied with a belt. This, that, these, those. Which one is the correct word here, children? That. That is my dog tied with a belt. Okay. After that, children, come to fifth main. Choose a demonstrative pronoun from the bracket. The first one is done for you. See the first one. These that given here. Dash are my sketches. These are my sketches. Like that. See the second one. Fifth main. Second one. I dream dash painting. This painting or those painting? This painting. Third one. Dash flowers grew in my house. Those flowers are these flowers. See flowers. The word flowers is in plural form now. Then take here those. Those flowers grew in my house. See the fourth one. Dash is my photograph. This is my photograph or those is my photograph. See photograph, this is the singular noun. Then use your this. This is my photograph. See the fifth one. Dash horse is mine and dash horse is hers. Dash horse is mine. This or that. This horse is mine and that horse is horse. Okay, children? Yes, children, that's it. Tomorrow I will send the classwork, children. What that notes I will send, children. All of you complete the classwork. Okay? Thank you.